Mixer. That's probably true then. See, Derek, Mixer only follows you because you're the weakest one in the family. Now, what do you have to say to the YouTubers? Derek just stuck his tongue out at the YouTubers. Mixer! Hey, Mixer! What? What? Give me kisses. Give me kisses. I don't know if I should post this video now, since Derek did that. Stuck your tongue out. What do you think, Dale? Dalen.
I think you should post it anyway. It's not like he's flipping off the camera.
That is true. He's just jealous because he's the weak one. This is the weak one of the house.
What?
Yep.
What?
You're weak.
Is this for YouTube?
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say? That's appropriate.
Hey, ladies, I'm single.
There you go, ladies. Derek's single.